Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about AI versus our manual job. Imagine waking up in 2030 and finding out your job no longer exists. Not because of a recession, not because of outsourcing, but because an AI can do it faster, cheaper, and better than you. Scary, right? But here's the big question. By 2030, will AI replace you? Let's dive in. Welcome back to AI Hustle Hub, the channel where we explore how AI, money, and technology are shaping your future. If you're curious about whether you'll still have a job in 2030, stick around till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights. In the last decade, AI has gone from basic chatbots to writing code, creating art, composing music, and even diagnosing diseases. Example, ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are writing emails, books, even scripts like this one. Example, Midjourney and DALL-E are replacing stock photographers. Example, Runway AI is being used in Hollywood for video editing and VFX. If AI has advanced this much by 2025, imagine what it'll do by 2030. Customer support. Many companies now use AI chatbots, like Klarna's AI bot handling 70% of customer queries. Content writing. Blogs, product descriptions, SEO content are being generated by AI tools. Graphic design, Canva plus AI plus Midjourney are cutting demand for freelancers. Translation and transcription. AI like DeepL and Whisper outperform humans in speed and accuracy. Basic programming. GitHub Copilot already writes 40% of code for developers. But wait, does that mean everyone is doomed? No, some jobs are much harder for AI to replace. Creative strategy AI can make designs, but can it decide why a brand needs that design? Healthcare, surgeons, therapists, AI assists, but empathy and human touch still matter. Skilled trades, electricians, plumbers, mechanics. AI can't fix your toilet yet. Leadership and decision-making. Humans still lead teams, inspire, and innovate. The future isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about humans plus AI working together. What will the world look like in 2030? AI doctors diagnosing patients faster than ever. Self-driving trucks and taxis replacing millions of drivers. AI teachers giving personalized lessons. AI lawyers reviewing contracts in seconds. Real-world example. In 2023, a law firm already used an AI to draft legal documents in minutes, saving thousands of dollars. By 2030, it's not about whether AI can replace you. It's whether you can use AI better than others. Here's how to make sure AI doesn't take your seat. Learn AI tools. Don't ignore them. Use ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, Copilot. Focus on creativity and strategy, things AI can't fully replicate. Upskill constantly. Learn coding, data, design thinking, leadership. Work with AI, not against it. In short, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI definitely will. So by 2030, will AI replace you? The answer depends on one thing. Are you ready to evolve? If you found this eye-opening, smash that like button, subscribe to AI Hustle Hub for more informative and update video about AI, and share this with someone who thinks their job is safe, because the future is coming, whether you're ready or not. See you in next video.